It's so hot that even a flat-chested girl is gonna get boob sweat.
Here, take this word. Once it's time.
Alright, so the time has come. Here we are. We're about to put this bad boy in.
Yes, the fire breathing 2.9 is going back in.
We're the motor mates, if you don't know. I'm Carrie,
You know.
That's Danny. If you watch the video and you enjoy it, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like, we're gonna start a GoFundMe for my boobs. And
That's the problem with our channel, we're missing titties.
I think so.
Everything just falls in place by itself.
It's hitting another hose over there. I don't know if it's...
Make sure it's catching no hoses.
Did you fix the one it was grabbing back there?
When it rips it out, it'll be fine, you know?
When you know, you know.
Ease that.
There it goes.
That. There we go.
And then... I heard you say stab the tranny and I literally had like PTSD from that f***ing Mini Cooper. I'm serious. I started having like flashbacks.
Dude, this tranny seriously is going to make me so mad.
Alright, so the motor's in. We gotta get the belts put back on, and then your girl, Radiator Carrie.
That is power steering. It's gonna be here to here to here. This middle guy. There you go.
How do you know when to...
I'll show you. It's a feel.
Oh, you just want it nice and tight?
You don't want too tight. So feel that, like wiggle up and down.
Right.
Does that feel?
So just like a good amount of tension.
Feel that one. What do you think? Need a little more?
Yeah, like that.
Okay. Yeah, that feels really good. If it's too loose, it'll sit there and slip, and then
Right.
it'll squeal.
How tight do you want this?
Tight. That's probably good.
Okay.
Nice and tight. Now the next belt is your AC one. Thing. Grab your belt. Wow. Okay, that one. Same thing. Crank. Water pump. AC.
Oh yeah, this one's gonna be a bitch.
Okay,
Maybe
now.
try it this way.
So what we have to do? Well, the compressor. There you go.
Okay.
Plenty. How's that feel?
Oh, fine.
Tying her up then.
Here, you want to pull on that from over there?
Yeah. Okay, now it's your time to shine.
Oh, we gotta get the radiator in this bad boy.
That's right. Radiator Carrie's about to come out. Radiator.
Gross.
Yeah. We want to get all that off.
And let's
Just grab a rag, wipe her off.
Miller, make yourself useful.
Here, take this rag. Come over here. Wipe this.
He said, "Don't touch me. I'm resting."
I just want to get that off.
Dog.
See these studs?
Yeah.
Those go in these holes. Oop. Get you got your lower hose. Oh no.
Okay.
Man, we are so close to firing this bad boy up.
It's gonna be a nice moment. These are not threading because they're not in a hole. Explains everything. Safety first, ladies and gentlemen. I had to put my hair up.
That's right.
Oh, also. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. I just got straight up Final Destination.
Got the radiator in. Now let's get our tranny lines hooked back up. This one you might have to go here, wiggle the line, push up on it, and wiggle it.
Almost whacked me in the face.
I saw that. There it goes. Okay.
It's so hot.
It is so hot. What's the weather outside? Let's do a weather check.
Here, I'll give you a weather check. It's so hot that even a flat-chested girl is gonna get boob sweat.
I would say that is pretty hot. In more ways than one. Okay, next is our, you're so hot your glitter's running.
Oh no. That's really hot.
Okay, next, fan. So if you remember, you gotta put the fan in with the shroud.
Okay.
So the shroud
And
goes...
am I holding this right?
Yeah. So the shroud will go in like so. And then just drop your fan in. Now, do you remember the threads on this?
Yeah, they're backwards.
Perfect answer.
So I'm gonna go left to tighten, right?
Correct.
Okay, how though? Because the fan, I can't turn it, so.
They have to be straight. Just like these. They're like a pipe thread.
Right.
If it's not on, I mean frickin' straight, it will never, ever go on. Did this thing slide in the bottom? I can't remember.
Whoop. Well, everybody, Danny's nuts just dropped.
Alright. Let's tighten up your fan. This is what they need on OnlyFans.
Oh my god! You scared me!
Okay. So this thing hooks like so.
Oh, I kind of remember
And
now.
then it rolls around. And since it'd be going this way, here, I'll just get it on. And you can, ow, pull the trigger. You don't want to sit there and just rap on it and make it tight as hell. Just a, and then you're done.
Go?
Yeah.
This thing's scary, dude. Okay, the thing moved. Is that bad?
No.
Do it again. That was a.
Maybe just give it one more.
One more, and then you want me to keep going, or?
No, that's it.
Okay.
Alright.
Say hello to my little friend.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
That was a really bad idea.
It could have been, but it ended good, so it was a pretty good idea.
Yeah, I think it went well.
Yeah.
Here, take this away from me before somebody loses a fucking eye. The actual weather check, I think it's 105 today, right?
Yeah.
We
Yesterday.
finally will be getting a break from this. Instead of 105 degrees, it will only be a whopping 95.
Oh shit.
Alright, what's going on here? Here we go.
Is this one already tight?
Yeah, I think so.
Cool.
I didn't go like crazy, but
Yeah, it doesn't need to be. I like how the fan is hanging
pokes out of the shroud.
Yeah.
I was literally thinking that.
I don't have the motor up to the tranny, that's why it's sitting
Oh.
like that. I was gonna say, something doesn't
Well,
look
is that
right.
gonna be able to go in there correctly?
What?
Will this be able to go into here whenever you go to put the motor right? Or are we just gonna have to take all of that back off now?
Oh, you'll just have to take these two bolts off if
Oh.
anything. No big deal. And it's one way to find out. Okay, let's get our hoses on now. We're almost done. Which one's upper? Which one's lower? This one is upper. This one is lower.
Upper and lower, upper and lower.
That? Maybe? That looks about right. Or is it like that?
I liked it the other way. Which means it's probably that way.
Yep, it is. Two different size holes. Front door, back door.
Oh.
Get the tape out of there. I don't know if you guys at home watched our Audi video, but
If you haven't, go and check it out.
yeah, and these
Come in handy.
yes, add them to your arsenal.
The
Okay.
ease.
And then just try to line it up with the old marks. Right about. Oh, I guess there's been a lot of marks on it, so. Oh!
Oh, settle down.
Settle down.
Settle down,
Okay.
little fella.
Release.
This one?
Yep.
Oh!
Okay, next one. Here, let me guide. I'll guide the tip. Okay.
No comment.
If you're watching this at home, which one are you? Are you a tip guider, or do you just poke?
Please don't be a poker. Why does this one look like it was right here?
Because it's been sitting there a while.
3, 2, 1. Blast off. Oh. God damn it!
Okay.
Oh, I'm literally melting right now. I'm so hot. Look at my. All right, the time is here. We're going to fire this thing up.
No, it's
Well,
not
we're
this
gonna-
thing. It's a fire-breathing 2.9.
Oh. So don't start it, just like
Yeah, but if
bump
it
it.
pop, let it start. Go ahead. Let me move the distributor.
Yeah, just crank it and just pump it a little.
Okay, Dan,
Mm-hmm.
you got an old spark plug?
Yeah.
Let's see if we got spark. Just crank it. No spark.
Nothing?
Nothing. Go ahead and crank it. Hold on.
I'm just gonna look inside here and make sure you guys are doing everything right.
Are we?
Yeah, you guys are doing a great job.
Everything looks good?
Yep.
All right.
Everything except for the problem, whatever
What?
that is. When
Yeah.
you find it.
Can you tell me why it ain't starting?
Yeah, you guys effed it up.
Wow. All the way to us, huh, Dan?
I know. Hey, at least it's not just me this time. At least
Yeah.
you're
I'm
involved.
involved.
Could I have plugged these into the wrong ones?
What are they? I don't think they can get mixed up.
I don't think they can. I know black and gray can't, but there's two grays.
Yeah, but what are they going to?
I don't know, the main loom and the injectors.
Well, we're not worried about that. We don't have spark.
This might be the cause. Let's see.
You know, see if you can swap them.
Yeah, what's it gonna hurt?
Burn up the harness.
Like I said, everything looks good except for the one thing you guys messed up.
Oh yeah, they can be backwards.
Can they?
Oh yeah. We're gonna try it.
Oh yeah. Well, all we want to do is see if it's got spark. We get spark now.
Let me see these. Oh, I think they were backwards because we got orange to orange, black to black, orange to orange, gray to gray. This one
Wait a minute,
was
Kurt.
black. Oh, they were backwards.
See?
See, he messed something up. I told you.
Friggin' name on the shirt ain't doing him very good.
That's hurtful. Okay,
There we go. Hold on.
there it is. Cool. So Carrie had two connectors backwards.
Oh my god.
I like it.
Yeah, I knew it would come back on me.
That's right.
He's full of shit. You guys already know.
Tell the good people of YouTube what you did wrong.
No, you tell the good people of YouTube what you did wrong.
Okay, Dan, have her crank it.
Crank it.
Go ahead.
There it goes. Cough a little.
We might be too far advanced. I don't know if we got enough. Go ahead. We need to skip a tooth. I
Right.
ain't got no adjustment. Go ahead and crank it. See?
All right, we moved this distributor over 1, 2.
Now it's right. Now all we gotta do is time it.
Yeah.
Okay, Terry, turn it off. Set up the timing light. On these Ford Rangers, when you go to time these old ones, they have a plug that you take out of the wiring harness, and once it's time, you put this back in, and then the engine will advance.
Yeah.
Automatically. You want to see the light pointed out a little bit?
Down just a hair.
This way?
Yep, that looks perfect.
Okay. Now that the truck's running, it's been timed. It's time to get it on the ground and go for a test drive. But first,
I'm going to go ahead and torque the lug nuts on these front wheels. We already did the back ones, so let's get this truck on the ground.
yeah,
Go for a ride.
You just get all.
What's up, good looking? Hop on in and let's go for a ride.
Man, I feel like I'm in high school again.
Oh, cruising around in this?
Yeah.
Listen to that 2.9. Okay, so the truck is running great, as you guys saw. We do want to let you know that we are going to do a random drawing once we hit 100 subscribers. It will be off of the comments, and you will win a t-shirt. You need to be subscribed to be able to win the t-shirt, so make sure you're subscribed and that you leave a comment, and we'll do a random drawing from our comment section, and we will pick who wins the t-shirt.
When we hit 100 subscribers.
We must hit 100 subscribers for this to happen, people.
Yes. Otherwise, I mean, comment, but
Yeah.
gotta get to 100 subscribers first. Oh, and on the t-shirt, we'll get your name on it too. So be sure to.
You can also pick the color of your shirt. Yes, you can. You can pick a color.
Okay. All right, that should do it. Bam.
Until then, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.